Hello and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to show you how to make this tuna and chili dip recipe. Chili dips are one of the staples of Thai cooking and are extremely versatile. They're used as everything from dips for fresh vegetables to relishes that enhance the flavour of other dishes. This dish is often made with Thai mackerel, however for those of us not in Thailand, canned tuna is a really great substitute. On screen now are the ingredients. As you can see, very few ingredients are used. This is a really simple and easy dip to make, and it can be ready in under 15 minutes. So first we need to grill 3 red bird eye chilies for 5 minutes, and 1 shallot and 2 cloves of garlic for 10 minutes, on a high heat until they begin to brown. Now add the grilled chilies, shallot and garlic to a mortar and pestle and crush everything into a paste. Then add 1 can of tuna to the mortar and pestle and just mix it in with the paste we just made. Follow by spooning the tuna paste into a small bowl and then add half a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and half a tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything together thoroughly and then you are ready to serve. We had ours with some fresh vegetables, however you can just use this dip as a relish to add flavour to any food, particularly rice and sticky rice. So we hope you enjoyed this tasty chili dip recipe. We have plenty more Thai dips and Thai inspired recipes still to come, so be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of those, and we hope to see you again on the next video.